Ever wondered why some videos captivate you more than others? It isn't just about the visuals. Sound, believe it or not, is equally crucial in creating engaging and memorable content. So how do you enhance sound in video production? Let's break it down into 6 easy-to-follow steps. Firstly, focus on capturing clean audio. This involves using high-quality microphones and placing them strategically to avoid echo or background noise. Don't hesitate to experiment with different microphone types to suit your recording environment. Secondly, set up a studio-worthy space. This means investing in soundproofing materials and using pop filters to minimize harsh sounds. Sound-absorbing panels can also be a game-changer in enhancing overall audio quality. Thirdly, weave in the magic of music. Choose royalty-free or licensed tracks that complement your video's theme. But remember to balance the volume between music and narration. After all, you don't want the music to overpower your content. Fourthly, focus on delivering voiceovers with clarity. Record in a quiet, well-lit environment and maintain a consistent pace. A microphone designed specifically for voiceovers can be a worthy investment. Fifthly, refine your audio in the editing stage. Use software to remove background noise, adjust levels, and enhance clarity. Subtle sound effects can be your best friend in creating engaging transitions and emphasizing key moments. And don't forget to employ audio ducking to lower music volume when narration takes the stage. Lastly, always keep your audience in mind. Consider their preferences and listening habits. Use audio elements that resonate with their interests and expectations. And above all, maintain a consistent audio quality throughout your videos. To sum it up, sound is a vital component in the art of video production. By capturing clean audio, setting up a soundproof space, using music wisely, delivering clear voiceovers, refining audio in post-production, and considering your audience's preferences, you can transform your videos into captivating audio-visual experiences. So, why not upgrade your video production with stellar sound? For more videography tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Remember, great sound is as crucial as stunning visuals in creating engaging and memorable content. It's time to sound off and make your videos shine.